Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. Traverse line, MN, NO, and OP are center lines of a portion of a proposed highway. Respectively, the bearings and distances are MN is due north, 277.60 meters, yung ating NSUB, or yung ating NO is north, 26 degrees, 40 minutes east with 107 meters. Then yung ating OP is north, 61 degrees, 30 minutes east, which is 200 meters. A previously designed compound curve connected these three tangent lines with the PCC at station 2 plus 0.10 or 0.12. It is desired to revise the system into a single circular curve that will still be tangent to the three lines. Question number 1, determine the radius of the simple curve. Number 2 is determine the stationing of the new PC if station N is at 1 plus 975. And number 3, determine the stationing of the new PP. Ayan. So dito is meron tayong figure. So as you can see, ito yung MN natin, due north. Ayan. Yung MN, due north. And then yung ating NO, ito. Yung ating NO, ayan. So meron niyang 26 degrees sa 40 minutes. And then yung ating last is yung ating OP, as you can see, is 61 degrees 30 minutes. So ito, meron na siyang angle. So 61 ito. So itong angle na yan is the minus lang yan, yung ating 61 degrees 30 minutes minus yung ating 26 degrees 40 minutes. So equal siya sa 34 degrees 50 minutes. Ayan. So, meron tayong mga angle dito. So, kapag hinaf natin yan, makuha natin yon. Ang gagawin daw is meron dating compound curve. Ngayon, gagawin na lang single circular curve. So, mula dito sa ating new PC papunta dito sa new PP. Pero dapat connected pa rin yung tatlong linya. Okay? The circular curve that will still be tangent to the three lines. Ayan. So, for our first question, yung ating radius of simple curve, ayan. So, as you can see, meron tayong old line. So, ito. Meron tayong 107, sabi. Yan. Even yan yung NO. So, yan yung gagamitin natin. So, di ba yan is tangent 1 and then ito ay tangent 2. So, we can say na tangent 1 plus tangent 2 is equal to 107 meters. Okay? So, yung ating tangent 1, yung ating formula, remember, yung ating R tangent theta or I over 2. Kita natin. I over 2. I1 over 2. Then for T sub 2 naman is R sub 2 tangent ng ating I sub 2 over 2. But this time is kailangan daw is isa lang yung R nila or the same. Kasi nga papalitan ng isang circular curve. Therefore, yung ating R sub 1 equal siya sa R sub 2. So, we can say na tanggalin na lang natin itong R, itong mga number. So, R na lang, itira natin. Okay? So, let's solve or let's substitute. So, T sub 1 magiging R tangent. So, yung tangent ng I sub 1 natin is 13 degrees or 26 degrees 40 minutes. 26 degrees 40 minutes over 2 plus yung ating R sub 2. So, R pa rin yan. then tangent ng ating 34 degrees 30 minutes over equals 11107. So R equals, kasi magiging simple curve na lang yan kaya ganyan. So isang curve na lang siya. Okay, kaya radius of simple curve. So let's solve. So, meron tayong x tangent ng 26 degrees 40 minutes over 2 plus yung ating x ng ating tangent ng 34 degrees 50 34 degrees ating 34 degrees 50. Ayan. So 50 minutes over 2. Then equal yan sa 107. Solve natin. So meron tayong 194.296. Meron tayong 194.296 meters. Ayan. So ito na yung ating final answer. Yan. For question number 2 naman, so yung ating hinahanap is yung ating station ng bagong PC. Station of new PC. Which is, ang given is, na reference natin is ito. 1.29 or 1.1 plus 975. Ayan. So, dito yan sa point N. So, ang gagawin lang natin, edi kunin natin si T sub 1. Ito. Yan. Kunin natin siya. So, minus natin. Makakapunta na tayo dito. So, ano ba yung T sub 1 natin? Di substitute lang natin yung dalawa. Ating T sub 1 equals yung ating R tangent ng ating 26 degrees 40 minutes over 2. Meron tayong 194.296 tangent ng 26 degrees 40 minutes over 2. So T sub 1 equals, meron tayong 194.296 minus, tangent ng ating 26 degrees 40 minutes over 2. Yan. So, meron tayong 46.049 meters. Ayan, so minus lang natin ito. So, dito na tayo So, pababa tayo para makapunta sa new PC. So, station at PC at new PC pala. Meron tayong 1 plus 975 minus 46.049. So, meron tayong 975 minus 46.049. Ayan. So, meron tayong value na 1 plus 928.951. So, this will be our final answer. Ayan. For question number 3 naman, so, dito na lang. So, yung ating station daw ng bagong PT. So, gawin natin from this point is kunin na natin yung isang buo na simple circular curve. May R na tayo. Tapos meron tayong total angle na 61 degrees 50 minutes. So 50 minutes to ulitan natin. 61 degrees 50 or 30 pala, sorry. Yan, 61 degrees 30. So tama. Tama pala siya. Ito pala yung 50 ito yung 50. So, ito, okay lang. So, So, ganun gawin natin. Kunin natin itong simple circular curve. Then, gamit yung radius na yan. So, kunin natin yung ating length of the chord or LC or yung arc length natin na ginagamit. Okay, arc length. Meron tayong S equals R theta. Yung S natin equals yung radius na 194.296. Then yung theta natin na ginamit is 61 degrees 30. Meron tayong 61 degrees 30 minutes multiplied by pi over 180. So don't forget yan. So meron tayong S equals 194.296 multiplied by 61 degrees 30 minutes times pi over 180. Ayan. So, meron tayong 208.553. So, 208.553 meters. So, ganun din. Add din natin siya. So, yung station at new PT. So, meron tayong station at new PC plus yung ating S. Meron tayong new PC na 1 plus 928.951 plus yung ating 208.553. Meron tayong final answer na plus natin 928.55. 951. Ayan. So, meron tayong 2 plus 137.504. And this will be our final answer. Ayan. So, ang complicated lang dito is yung pagdodraw nung ating mga points. But, pag alam nyo yung traverse is makukuha nyo siya. Okay? So, i-recap lang natin yung ating mga naging sagot for our first question, radius of the simple curve. Our answer is 194.296. And then, for the station of the new PC, so meron tayong 1 plus 928.951. And then, for the station of ating new PT, so meron tayong 2 plus 137.504. So, that's all. And thank you for watching.